But Panic got the disco in this street light. And these LEDs. There's one thing about these LEDs. As soon as they go bad, they create a system for epilepsy to kick in. It's not the greatest thing to see. I imagine the amount of percentage of people that see an LED light flickering like that also had a seizure because they had epilepsy. It's kind of annoying. Testing the video on this thing. And it appears that the video is kind of... I don't know why the video is like that. It's like... very strange to me. Is it supposed to be like that? All skippy like that? It's hard to say. It's a very big camera, by the way. Huge. Got a house finch and a goldfinch that just flew. So, yeah, I'm gonna try this. It appears the video is kind of better. Actually, the video is nice. It's better now. Not sure why the video is like that, but yeah, it looks better now. Yeah, that's so much better compared to the other thing I was using. I don't know what the hell that was. And there is a house finch, or some finch, I don't know what that is. Yep. Yeah, that's definitely a lot better now than what I was using before. That's cool. There's another house finch. Or is that a purple finch? I'm not sure. Two deer looking right at me. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. They're probably like, what the hell is that guy? Yeah. Might be two young bucks, I'm not sure. Yeah, they'll leave it now. You can tell they're definitely looking right at me. Well, they're leaving now. A toad. Look at that little toad. That is crazy. It's a big one. Oh, there he goes.
Ice cream's melting on your pie, pal.
Okay, I'm coming. That little toad. Look how cute he is. He's cute. Yep. And just be careful when you touch these things, because they are definitely poisonous. Yep, just wanted to show that to you. Oh, see them hopping? They hop, by the way. They're not like, yeah, okay, I gotta go. Well, we got a dead lanternfly on our table. And yes, there is now a case of a lanternfly. Just so you know, if you see these things, kill it like that. If you have hokas, I would not recommend killing them with your hokas. But, yep, lanternfly. See them, kill them. I hate to say it, but you gotta smash them. But yep, that's a lanternfly for you guys. And this one is definitely dead. So, yep. I don't know what else to say, but they are killing our trees. So they're basically pests for your tree. So keep in mind that what you see here is not fake, it's real. So just
hello, donkey. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
see him?
Yeah, he can't come over. He probably wants to.
What's this? So
That's open over there.
yeah, I know.
Hello. I can get in here.
I don't think you can. There's a bunch of shit in
He's so cute.
there. Aw. Ain't he cute?
Yeah, I know. We'll come to you in a minute. In there.
No, he's got an itch.
You think? Aw.
Aw, he's so cute.
Dad. Dad. You think it'd be okay if we and Jack goes and sees the donkey? Because this gate goes to that gate, it still blocks the donkey. It's okay, we don't have to. The poor donkey, he wants to come over and see Jack. Hello. Hi.
Bit. Oh. Let's see if they come out here. Let's see. Oh, there's a turkey.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hey. Aw. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
It's really hard being stuck in the stable all day, huh, buddy? Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, I gotta. Oh, well.
Hello. What's your name?
Yeah, hound dog.
Hey. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi.
He's such a cute little boy.
Hi. Hello. Aw. Hello.
Aw.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, okay. It's a hound dog. Yeah, it's a turkey right over there. Turkey right over there.
Did you pet them? Hi,
I did.
Sassy.
Hello.
Hi. You know one's as old as you?
Really?
You have a dog there?
These must.
And there's a turkey there?
Yeah, there is. Turkey.
Hi. 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 We should have brought some food for him, Jack.
I know, but
We should have brought him a
I don't.
carrot.
I know we should have.
We should have brought you a carrot.
I think that's a horse thing, though.
No, I think they like everything. Hi. Hi. It's okay. You're
Yeah.
so pretty. You're so pretty.
Yeah.
You're so pretty. One's 26 and one's 17.
Holy moly, that's old for a donkey.
I don't know their ages. That one is so cute. What a
Yeah.
cute face.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Aren't they cute?
Very
Yeah.
sassy.
Mary and Sassy, is that what they're?
Very sassy.
Yeah.
He's a cutie.
He is.
Gee, I don't know. I think it's a girl.
Oh.
Aw. Here, take a photo.
All right.
I know. I want to see you too.
Oh wow, now that's a nice pose right there.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Here's an oil well jack that has not been used in quite some time. I probably remember these from back in the day. Look how crazy this piece of machinery is. Definitely dangerous though. Definitely don't want. So look at that motor. So it basically, that thing goes up and down, and this is the drilling process right here. And definitely for some reason this thing does not work anymore, because obviously they probably use electric now. But there's definitely maybe a little oil leakage, but that's definitely dangerous to even be with. It's pretty cool though. I mean, it obviously has not been used in quite some time. All rusted up and, you know, abandoned. There's a beautiful boxer that kind of reminds me of Brittany, but it's a lot darker. Hey, there's a bird's nest. See the bird's nest? Looks like it may have been a house sparrow nest. I mean, that motor is pretty big for how big it is. I always like the look of these. I think these are pretty cool looking, but I watched this ABC News Nightline that these things were left abandoned and there's always a fuel leak. Even when you think about it, I can definitely smell the gas from this thing. It's probably not the greatest smell to be smelling right now. Crazy. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. It was like a Christmas song called Gigi Dominic the Donkey. I remember that song, Dominic the Donkey. Gigi's Dominic the Donkey. Yeah. Sassy and Mary, that's their name, by the way. Both girls. Quite funny. Sorry, lanternfly, this has to do. Oh, holy crap. Oh, come on. Got him.
Oh, hey.
Hello. Looks like Norman, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks a little kitten kind of.
Yeah, he does. Aww. He just gave me a kiss.
Aww. Hi.
It's a pretty healthy cat.
Yeah.
Must be a stray or something.
No, it's somebody's. It was on the house.
Must be on the house. Huh?
Yeah, somebody's cat.
I didn't realize how friendly cats can be sometimes.
Yeah.
Seems to like us though.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, look. He's like, hello. Hey. Hello. Aw. Give me a little. Oh, he's getting little nibbles.
Yeah, those are love bites.
They are?
Yeah, they're okay.
Alright. Hey. What's that?
I don't know.
Hey. Hey. Oh, okay.
It's
Okay.
okay. He's just, yeah, I think he's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
The grass.
Eating the grass. Either he's teething or what.
He's fine.
Yeah.
He just like to chew on things.
Yeah, he does. Hey.
Yeah, I can see what it does.
Alright.
Hey, hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there.
Zeus would not like cats. Oh my god.
He's making,
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey.
It's just love bites.
Oh my god, look.
He's
Look
making
he's.
biscuits on you.
I see that. Huh.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh.
Aw. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Never seen a stranger's cat do this before.
Yeah. Oh. Hi. Hi.
Oh, he's giving you little biscuits too.
Here, Jack, take a picture of this.
Yeah, well. Tree is like squeaking like crazy. It's this tree right here, I think. Yes, he is. A little cat right there staring at me. Look at those eyes, holy crap. Something's wrong with his eye there. Hey, little kitty. Oh, nope, he's gone. I got a good one, Dad. Ooh. He's huge.
Eurasian eagle. Her name's Luna.
Wow.
Hi, Luna.
Isn't it almost? Got an eagle, guys. Look at that. Wow. There he is. I'm getting video of him, guys. Wow.
Must be looking for some
Okay.
probably like field mice.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, I'm really close to him now. I'm literally getting video of him. Oh, yeah, he is. I'm glad I saw him.
Me too. No kidding. Well, it's really funny because this was a spot I wanted to stop for sure. Just hoping Right? Yeah.
Come on, focus.
It's coming this way.
I see him. I'm getting video right now. Holy crap, dude. I'm so close to him right now, it's not even funny. Yeah. Black squirrel. Look at that. I already got a photo of this type of squirrel, but I never got a video. Oh, he's cute. He's nuts. Believe it or not. Oh, there's a gray squirrel. Now, the black squirrels are basically a cross between a fox squirrel and a gray squirrel, which is quite an interesting fact. Quite the coolest thing I've ever heard in my life. And unfortunately taken over these like other squirrels habitats, which is interesting. Very interesting. Sitting on a tree now, and that one's weird. Gray squirrels are quite interesting though, guys, as well. Eastern gray squirrel compared to one in Oregon, which is a western gray squirrel. Pretty fast little guy, isn't he? Oh, eating a nut. No, eating a nut. Cute. Look how nice this camera really focuses on a certain thing when I zoom in compared to my last camera, which didn't do real good. Thank God they're chasing each other. At both the black squirrel and the gray squirrel. That's hilarious. Got both a gray squirrel and a black squirrel. Oh, I see fox squirrels out here too. That would be cool. Three kinds of squirrels. There you go. There he is.
Let's.
What is it?
Nothing. Reduce your.
Okay. I tried getting a chipmunk stuff in these cheeks. See all those birds up there? What happens when I do this? Look at that, huh? Isn't that cool? Or move somewhere. Oh, there they are, look at that. Isn't that cool? They'll come back, hopefully. There they go. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Look at all of them. All those starlings. A lot of starlings. Look at that. There's like millions of them. Millions more of them after these, but yeah, those are starlings. That's what happens when you stomp your foot. You scare them off.